Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of screenshots not saving in the pictures folder, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So when you press Ctrl and print screen, assuming that no third-party application is present on your system, it will save this picture to the clipboard, but it does not save it to the pictures folder. Let me show you. It does not save anything to the screenshots folder. So you can search for Paint and then go to Paint and then paste it here. Okay, Control plus V, and then do the needful. But if you really want to save the screenshot directly, press Windows plus Shift plus S. This will open the sniping tool. Take the snap, and then that snap will be on the screenshots folder in the pictures folder, so it will be saved there. This is how you can do it, or alternatively you can save this paint file in the pictures folder. Or there is a third way. You can install the ShareX application or any other third-party application, but I know that ShareX will save it in the pictures folder. That's why I'm mentioning it. So search for store in the Windows search bar and open store. Now search for ShareX and hit enter. Then click on ShareX and then select install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.